So if you are going to be working with the Bumotec line, if you ask us a question, we can get back to you within 30 minutes or less. And you have a direct access to the engineers that are developing the solutions for these machines.
With so many things happening and advancing in global manufacturing, technology is no exception to that statement. And speaking of technology, I'm hanging out here with Chris from Hexagon. First and foremost, how you doing today, man?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Hey, it is well, and it's a great day to have a great day. But let's talk technology and partnerships within manufacturing. Recently, Hexagon initiated a fantastic joint collaboration and partnership with ESPRIT. I'm going to stop there and let you fill in everybody else on how that happened, what happened, and why that matters to manufacturers all over the globe.
Yeah, that's correct. So what we do here at ESPRIT is kind of unique within the industry. So we're direct primarily here in the United States, and what we have the ability to do is actually take our engineering team and have them work full-time with the engineering team on staff here at Starrag. So particularly what we're going to talk a little bit about today is the Bumotec line. So we've developed add-ins so that we can simulate everything appropriately, and also that we can have that cross-collaboration with our engineering teams to develop post-processors.
Interesting. So a match made in heaven, some would say. What does this collaboration mean for manufacturers?
What this means for manufacturers, so this means that you're going to get the best support, you're going to get the best quality product every single time. So a lot of people, really what our ethos is complex made simple. So if you're coming from like a conventional lathe or a conventional mill, for example, and you want to take on a machine that has more capabilities, we partnered with Starrag to give you guys the easiest way possible to do that. So you can visualize everything in our software, ESPRIT. You can make sure there's no collisions, send it out to the floor, and then you guys are happy and confident with the results.
Yeah, and speaking of confidence, how does this partnership bring confidence to not only new customers, but your potential customers that you serve within the market?
That's a great question. So it brings confidence to our potential customers. Let's say that they might have reservations about going from a conventional lathe or a conventional mill and taking on something that has more advanced capabilities. If you can see this visually, you can wrap your head around it that way. It's really no different inside of our work environment, inside of ESPRIT, than programming a conventional lathe or a conventional mill. So this is going to give people the level of confidence that they need to take on something with advanced capabilities and eliminate, let's say, 1, 2, 3 different operations between multiple machines.
Hey, eliminating operations. I know a lot of people that would be a huge fan of that specifically.
Send them my way.
There you go. So before we wrap up here, any other special features, benefits, or amazing things that we need to know about this incredible partnership within the industry?
A few things I'd mention would be our direct support. So if you are going to be working with the Bumotec line, if you ask us a question, we can get back to you within 30 minutes or less. And you have a direct access to the engineers that are developing the solutions for these machines. So you can ask the questions on the ESPRIT side of things. We can help you out, send you back a corrected file. If it's something that we need to collaborate with our partners here at Starrag for, we can pick up the phone, call them, make any changes necessary, and get you a definitive answer as soon as possible.
So of course, this partnership provides a vast amount of benefits to users all over the industry. But are there any specific circumstances where this has really shined through?
I'd say an excellent use case would be the medical industry. So a lot of our existing customers are using machines that are up to 9, 10, 12 different axes, which is exactly what we have here on the Bumotec. So when it gets into things like complex bone screws that have, variable pitches to them, when we have bone plates that are convex, concave surfaces, into different instrumentation, that's something that we've really found a perfect use case for here with the Bumotec line.
There you go. That is a collaboration, and that is how you maximize synergy with Hexagon and the wonderful support from ESPRIT. Hey, thank you so much, Chris, for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.